Hello again, and you join me in my shed. Quick video, bit of an update on my pencil management video. I'll show you what I mean. So I use these 3 honey jars to put blunt pencils in there, sharp pencils in there, pens in there. We'll end up with 3 jar caps. So like I said, very quick video, a bit of fun, probably took me about 10 minutes to make them, something like that, and it serves a purpose. So thanks for watching, take care, cheers.